Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with question number 9, exercise 2.5. Question number 9 is verify x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now we have to verify this x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Student, first of all, this is a very important identity. Not only a question, but it is a very important identity, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. You have to remember this identity also. Now in this question we have to verify this, and you know that how to verify. When you prove that LHS is equals to RHS, that means this equation is verified. Now taking RHS, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, we are going to multiply. Now this x term should be multiplied by this whole, and then y term is multiplied by this. Now I am going to multiply like this, xy plus y square plus y is multiplied by this whole the term. Now this can be written as x into x square is x cube. This can be written as x square y plus xy square plus yx square minus xy square plus y cube. Now student, this is x square y and this is x square y positive, negative, cancels. Xy square positive, xy square negative, that is cancelled. Now what you will get? X cube plus y cube, and this is your LHS. So your LHS is equals to RHS, and whenever LHS is equals to RHS, that means result is verified. Hope so this identity is clear to you. Now moving towards the next part. The next part is the second identity, that is again a very important identity, x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Now this is the identity of x cube minus y cube. Since I told you earlier that not only this question is not only a question but an important identity, and you have to remember this identity. Now how to verify this? Again you have to take RHS and it should be equivalent to LHS, and our question get verified. Now the RHS is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Now this x should be multiplied by this and y should be multiplied by this. Now first x should be multiplied by this, x square plus xy plus y square minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Now multiply करिए, this x into x, x cube plus x square y plus xy square minus y into x, yx square plus minus minus xy square plus minus minus y cube. Now student देखिए, x square y cancels each other because the signs are reverse. xy square signs are different, so they are cancelled each other. Now what we left with x cube minus y cube, and this is our LHS. So student, RHS is equals to LHS, and if LHS is equals to RHS, my result is verified. Now moving towards the next question, question number 10. Factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube. Now student, in question number 9 we have seen the two important identities. I am going to write both the identities here, that is a cube plus b cube can be written as x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and x cube minus y cube can be written as x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. These are the two most important identities. You have to learn these identities. Now, in question number 10, question is factorizes. Now see, 27y cube can be written as 3y ka whole cube. And 125z cube can be written as 5z ka whole cube. Now student, this is a cube and b cube. Compare it. X cube plus y cube. That means identity कौन सी लगने जा रही है? A cube plus b cube और x cube plus b cube. Now what is the expanded form of this? Compare करिए. A cube. What is my x? X is my 3y and what is my b? Sorry, y. Y is 5z. Now मैं क्या लिखूंगी? X plus y. So it can be written as x plus y into x square. What is my x square? 3y का whole square minus xy. तो 3y into 5z plus b square. 5z का whole square. So this is my expansion. एक बार फिर से सुनिए. देखिए कैसे करेंगे हम. a plus b, देखिए यहाँ पे लिखा है ना, x plus y, a square ये आ गया, minus xy plus y square, तो plus y square. Now I am going to expand this. This can be written like 3y plus 5z. Now 3 3s are 9y square, 3 5s are 15yz and plus 25z square. So this is the factorization of this part. Hope so this part is clear to you. Now moving towards the second part. Second part is 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. So students, you should know 64 is the cube of 4m ka whole cube and 343 is the cube of 7n ka whole cube. Now again a cube minus b cube. Identity is here, a cube minus b cube. It can be written as 4m minus 7n, a minus b. Now what is a square? 4m ka whole square plus 4m into 7n plus y square. 7n ka whole square. Now you have to expand this. Here is 4m minus 7n. It can be written as 4 4s are 16m square plus 7 4s are 27, 7 4s are 28mn plus 7 7s are 49n square. So this is the factorization of this part. Hope so this question number 10 is clear to you. Now moving towards question number 11. Question number 11 is factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. I have to factorize this. Now students, for factorizing this, I am going to write a identity, new identity for you, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It can be written as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus ca. This is my identity. थोड़ा सा मैं इस आइडेंटिटी को ठीक से लिख देती हूँ इधर करके, ज़्यादा ही उस तरफ हो गया. देखिएगा इसको मैं एक बार फिर से लिखती हूँ. a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. It can be written as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. अब आ गया ये पूरे एक लाइन में. So this is the identity and it is new identity for you. So you have to remember this identity also. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ce. Now I have to factorize this and I am going to apply this identity here. For this 27x cube can be written as 3x ka whole cube. Why? Because 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 can be written as 3x ka whole cube. Now y cube can be written as y cube, z cube can be written as z cube. एंड माइनस 3ABC। मैंने क्या किया, जगह छोड़ दिया। मैं अभी इसी को लिख रही हूँ, 3x का होल क्यूब, y का होल क्यूब, z का होल क्यूब एंड 3ABC। व्हाट इज माय a? a इज माय 3। व्हाट इज माय b? दिस इज माय b। व्हाट इज c? दिस इज माय c। ये मेरा c है, ये मेरा a है और ये मेरा a है। दिस इज माय b एंड नाउ 3ABC। यहाँ पे है ना फॉर्मूला 3ABC। व्हाट इज a? a is 3x। व्हाट इज b? b is y and what is c? c is z। तो look here, this is my a cube, b cube, c cube minus 3abc, 3abc। now multiply करिए, 3 3 is 9xyz, 3 3 is 9xyz। that means कि this can be written as like this। मैंने इसको कैसे लिख दिया, इस तरीके से लिख दिया। तो ये आपको समझ आ गया कि मैंने किस तरीके से फॉर्म किया है इसको, ठीक है। Now, what we will do? Expand it। अब ये आइडेंटिटी मैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बना चुकी हूँ। Now I have to write the right hand side। Very simple। a plus b plus c। What is my a? a is my 3x। 3x। What is my b? b is my y। What is my c? c is my z। Now what is a square? 3x का होल स्क्वायर, थोड़ा सा यहाँ से लिखते हैं हम, 3x का होल स्क्वायर। What is my b? b is my y square। What is my c? c is my z square minus ab, 3x into y। What is my b? bc, y into z। What is my c? a, c is z into 3x। now expand it। it can be written as 3x plus y plus z। I am writing the RHS। now this becomes 3 3 is a 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx। so this is the factorization of this। एक बार फिर से मैं explain करती हूँ फटाफट से। this is my question। 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz। now student, here I am going to apply this identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc। अब मैंने क्या किया, अपनी इस वाले क्वेश्चन को इस तरीके से लिखा। 27 कैन बी रिटन एज 3x का होल क्यूब, इट कैन बी रिटन एज y क्यूब, z कैन बी रिटन एज z क्यूब माइनस 3abc। what is my a? a is, I write here a as 3x। what is b? b is y and c is z। now this can be written like this। अब मैंने अपने क्वेश्चन को इस फॉर्मेट में लिख दिया। अब इसकी एक्सपेंशन ये है, तो मैं यहाँ पे अप्लाई करूँगी। व्हाट इज a plus b plus c? a is 3x, y, b is y and c is z। a plus b plus c। now a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca। और इसको फिर मैंने एक्सपैंड करके लिख दिया। सो दिस इज माई आंसर। होप सो आपको ये समझ आ गया होगा। नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12। What's question number 12? Question number 12 is verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that is x plus y plus z into x minus y का whole square plus y minus z का whole square। now this is my question। I have to verify this। now how to verify it? you know, we have to take RHS। now take the RHS। RHS is 1 by 2 x plus y plus z। now student, I can write the RHS here and then solve it for you। now listen, this is my RHS। it can be written as x plus y plus z। now x minus y का whole square, it can be expanded as a square plus b square minus 2ab। आइडेंटिटी मैंने यहाँ पे कौन सी लगा दी? a minus b whole square। मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab। यहाँ पे मैंने एक आइडेंटिटी यूज़ कर ली है, ब्लॉक कर देती हूँ और लिख दिया है मैंने, ठीक है। यूजिंग, यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं यूजिंग आइडेंटिटी, सो दैट आपको समझ आ जाए कि हमने क्या यूज़ किया है। हमने कौन सी आइडेंटिटी यूज़ की, a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर, तो लगा दिया a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab। देखिए a स्क्वायर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, प्लस यहाँ पे भी यूज़ करेंगे a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, प्लस a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, ठीक है। नाउ 1/2 x प्लस वाई प्लस z। अब देखिए x स्क्वायर और x square. How many x square? We have 2x square. So I can write 2x square. Now y square, y square. We have 2y square, z square, z square. We have 2z square. Now अब क्या है 2xy? I can write minus 2xy, minus 2yz. These are the remaining terms. So you will see that inside the bracket there is a common term 2 here, 2 every term is containing the 2. Now take out 2 as common. Now what you will get, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now this 2 and this 2 cancel with each other. Now what you will get, you will get x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So student, if you remember, in previous question we have used this identity a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. It is the expansion of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So this is my LHS. ये जो लास्ट व सेकेंड लास्ट स्टेप है, दिस इज द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ दिस आइडेंटिटी। जब मैंने इसको इस तरीके से मैं लिख सकती हूँ, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये इसी आइडेंटिटी की एक्सपेंशन है। सो आई कैन राइट दिस identity can be written like this, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3abcn, which is my LHS. So LHS is equals to RHS, hence verified. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आई होगी इसको सॉल्व करने में। Now moving towards question number 13. Now moving towards the question number 13. Question number 13 is, if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Now student, this is a very important question. If x plus y plus z is equals to 0, now this thing is given to me and I have to show this. If you remember this whole thing is matching with identity. And what is that identity? We have started the question like this. We know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz can be written as x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So we will start the question with this. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the identity we all know. Why I am writing this identity? Because this question is somewhere matched with this identity. Now the given thing is this, that x plus y plus z is 0. In this identity I am apply this x plus y plus z is equals to 0 here. We are going to put the value of x plus y plus z is equals to 0. तो आप लिखेंगे since given x plus y plus z is equals to 0. So I put this value in RHS, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. अब यहाँ इसकी जगह पे मैं क्या लिख दूंगी, 0. तो 0 इंटू क्या है ये पूरी टर्म एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर प्लस जेड स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई माइनस वाई जेड माइनस जेड एक्स. Now student, we know that 0 is multiplied by anything, it will make the whole term become 0. 0 को मैं किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करूँ, whether it is a smaller or a greater, it will make the whole term 0. So I will get this x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to 0. Now very simple. Now we are going to transpose the value 3xyz on the RHS. So it becomes positive, it will get 3xyz. You will get this thing. Now this is my question. If this is given to be 0, I have to solve this. And student, here I will solve this. X cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Hope so this is very clear to you. बहुत simple सा इसका solution था. First you have to start with, you should know कि where to start. The important thing is that in this question where to start, you have to start this with the identity. ठीक है, you should know this identity and apply the given condition. X plus yz is equals to x plus y plus z is equals to 0. Once I apply that x plus y plus z is equals to 0 in the RHS, it will make the whole RHS 0. And now transpose 3xyz on the RHS and this will give you the result. तो आप देख सकते हैं hence proved. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आएगी आपको इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में. ठीक है, सो इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Question number 14. Question number 14 is, without actually calculating the cube, find the value of each of the following. Question is without actually calculating the cube. आपको इसका cube actually calculate नहीं करना है. What you have to find? You have to find the value of each of the following without actually. That means कि you should not multiply minus 12 3 times and 7 3 times and 5 3 times and then add it. You have to apply the identity. And you know what is the identity? Identity is if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, it implies x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Now remember this identity. Recently in question number 13 we have solved this identity. The important thing is that if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then this happens. Now what I am going to check whether x plus y plus z is 0 or not. First of all, what we have to do, we have to check that whether x plus y plus z is 0 or not. Now minus 12, 7 plus 5 is 12. That means we can apply this identity. Whenever x plus y plus z is equals to 0, जब इन तीनों को add करके आपको 0 मिलेगा, तभी ये आइडेंटिटी ट्रू होगी और वी कैन अप्लाई दिस आइडेंटिटी. बट इफ इट इज नॉट 0, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव सॉल्व दिस एंड इफ इट इज नॉट 0, इफ देयर इज, मान लो कि यहाँ पे 13 होता तो आंसर इज 1, वी कैन नॉट सॉल्व बाय यूजिंग दिस आइडेंटिटी. we can only solve by using identity when the solution x plus y plus z is 0. Now I can apply this x cube plus y cube. X cube is minus 12 cube plus y is 7 का whole cube plus 5 का whole cube. Now what is the identity? 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. हमेशा स्टूडेंट याद रखेंगे जब x plus y plus z 0 होगा तभी आइडेंटिटी लगेगी, अदरवाइज आई कैन नॉट अप्लाई दिस आइडेंटिटी. The question is if x plus y plus z is 0, then we can apply this identity. So this it is 0, addition of this all that these terms are 0, then it can be written as. Now multiply कर लीजिए, आंसर कितना आ जाएगा? 3ab से आप multiply करेंगे तो ये आ जाएगा 1260 is the answer. Now moving towards that second part. Part is 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 का cube. Now the question is this again. First we have to check, because we know that identity if x plus y plus z is equals to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube can be written as 3xyz. Remember this, I can apply this identity only when this is equals to 0. Now first I have to check whether 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13 is 0 or not. So it's 28 minus 15 minus 13. That's 28. This becomes minus 28. Answer is 0. That means I can apply this identity. Now 28 whole cube plus it can be written as 3ABC. What is A? A is 28, B is minus 15 and C is minus 13. और जब आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा और मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 16380 is the answer. Hope so this question is clear to you. So मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी. Now moving towards question number 15. Number 15 is give possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Now in this 15th question I have given the area 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Now student, what is given to me? The area of rectangle. This is the area of rectangle and what I have to find? I have to find the length and the breadth. I know that area can be written as length into breadth. That means student, here the length and breadth is hidden in this expression. Now how to find out the length and breadth of this expression? That means you have to factorize this polynomial. How to factorize? Let us factorize. I should factorize by the method middle splitting term. 25 and 12 should be multiplied. 25 and 12 जब आप इसे multiply करेंगे you will get 300. Now you have to factorize 300. 300 को आप क्या करेंगे? Factorize करेंगे so that the addition or subtraction will become 35. So it can be written as 15a minus 12a. No, it's 20. इसके factorize करेंगे we will get 35. 300 के हम factors करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 20a and 15a plus 12. तो स्टूडेंट्स देखिए नाउ अब इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करिए यू विल गेट 300 और इसके फैक्टर्स कर दिए मैंने 20 इंटू 15. 20 इंटू 15 इज इक्वल्स टू 300 और जब इन दोनों को आप ऐड करोगे यू विल गेट माइनस 35. तो नाउ व्हाट विल बी द कॉमन? इट्स 5a. अंदर क्या आ गया? 5a माइनस 4. ठीक है, अब यहाँ से अंदर क्या आ जाएगा? 3. 5a minus 4. ठीक है, now what is the common? 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. Now I factorize this polynomial into two parts. Now this is my length and this is my breadth. So what is my length? Length is, write it like this, length is equals to 5a minus 4 and what is breadth? Breadth is 5a minus 3. Now moving towards the second part. Now second part, area is 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Now again we know that length into breadth. So we have to factorize this polynomial. Now student, multiply 35 into 12, you know it is 300. We have done in previous part. 35 into 12, 300. Now 300 के factors इस तरीके से निकालने so that you will get 13. So it's a very simple. ये कितना आ जाएगा? 28 and 15. 28 में से आप 15 को minus करिए, you will get 13. So 35y square plus 28y minus 15y minus 12. Now what is common? 7y. So 7 5y plus 7 4s are minus 3. So 3 5s are 3 4s are. So 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4. So this is my length. You can take any one. Someone says 7y minus 3, I want to take it as a breadth. You can take it because it is in multiplication. So it doesn't matter that which term you are taken as length or which term you are taken as breadth. So 7y minus 3 and 5y plus 4 are the length and breadth. So this completes the question number 15. We have left with only one question, that is question number 16. Now moving towards the question number 16. Now this is the last question. Question is, what are the possible expression for the dimension of cuboid whose volume are given? Yes. So student, in the previous question we have given the area. In this question we have given with the volume. That volume is 3x square minus 12. Now he is talking about the volume of cuboid. So what is the volume of cuboid? First of all, you should know the formula of volume of cuboid. That is length into breadth into height. So this is a formula, and what is my question? My question is to find out the dimensions. That means I have to find out the length, breadth and height using this polynomial. Now student, it's a very simple one. Now take out common. What is common? 3 into x square minus 4. Now it can be written as x minus x square minus 2 का whole square. Now it can be written as a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So what is my length? Length is 3, breadth is x plus 2, height is x minus 2. ठीक है स्टूडेंट? सो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इसमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आई होगी आप लोगों को. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट, सॉरी, आई हैव रिटन द रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली इट इज़ 12x. सो वी हैव टू चेंज दिस. अभी मेरी नज़र पड़ी कि क्वेश्चन मैंने थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट लिख दिया था. सो इट इज़ डन लाइक दिस. हाँ, क्वेश्चन में x मिसिंग था, अभी मैंने x लिख दिया. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द कॉमन? अगर x नहीं होता तो इट कैन बी डन लाइक दैट, जैसे मैंने किया था. अब नाउ यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 3x कॉमन आ जाएगा, तो क्या बन जाएगा? x माइनस 4. नाउ स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे स्क्वायर नहीं है, तो दिस इज माई लेंथ. 3 टर्म है यहाँ पे, देखिए 1, 2 एंड 3. तो वेरी सिंपल, लेंथ कितना निकल के आ गई, ये और भी आसान हो गया. ब्रेथ कितना हो गया मेरे पास? ब्रेथ इज x एंड व्हाट इज हाइट? हाइट इज x माइनस 4. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई प्रॉब्लम है, ये पहले वाले से भी ज़्यादा आसान हो गया. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द सेकंड पार्ट. देखिए यहीं पे मैं सेकंड पार्ट भी कर देती हूँ आपके लिए. सेकंड पार्ट इज वॉल्यूम मुझे दे रखा है 12ky स्क्वायर प्लस 8ky माइनस 20k. नाउ मुझे इसको क्या करना है? फैक्टराइज करना है. ठीक है, मुझे इसको फैक्टराइज करना है एंड आई विल गेट द 3 पार्ट्स. नाउ व्हाट इज अ कॉमन? देखिए हर पार्ट में k है और एक नंबर कॉमन है, दैट इज 4. तो टेकिंग आउट 4k कॉमन, अंदर क्या आ गया? 4 3y स्क्वायर प्लस 2y माइनस 5. नाउ 4k इंटू दिस कैन बी फैक्टराइज. 3 5 और 15. 15 को इस तरीके से करिए कि 2 आ जाए, तो 5 3 are 15. नाउ इट कैन बी रिटन एज 5 माइनस 3y माइनस 5. नाउ 4k is 3y square, taking out common, that is y, अंदर आ गया 3y plus 5. now here minus 1 is common, so 3y plus 5. so what we will get? We will get 4k into 3y plus 5, taken out 3y plus common, अंदर क्या बच गया? y minus 1. so this is my length, this is my breadth and this is my height. Hope so all the dimensions are clear in this question. Thank you students.